Hey, and welcome to the Affiliate Bonus Booster video course. This is video number 1, the introduction to affiliate bonus boosting. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to do is give you a quick overview, and then we'll move straight into the video course. So this is video number 1. Video number 2 is we're going to brainstorm bonus ideas for your affiliates. So we're going to go through the brainstorming process to figure out what exactly do your super affiliates want to have in terms of a bonus. So there are many different strategies that I'm going to show you in that specific video. Video number 3, we're going to talk about how to create bonus reports. Video number 4, we're going to talk about creating bonus videos. Video number 5 is creating bonus webinars. And of course, last but not least, video number 6 and 7, I'm going to talk about specific super affiliate booster strategies. Really cool stuff. All right, so the first thing I want you to do is, of course, to get into the right mindset. If you're not in the right mindset, then it's going to be hard to implement this strategy, and it's going to be hard to get results. So I want to see you succeed. So your time is important. So you need to focus on the right people. In terms of product launches, and as a vendor, as a product developer, a lot of times it's easy to want to focus on just about everything. From the details of the product launch and everything like that. But in the reality, in producing a good product and producing a good marketing strategy, sales funnel, sales letter, and so forth, your affiliates are very important people. But you have to focus on the right affiliates. The right people in this case are super affiliates that produce results. Basically, affiliates who produce results are the people that you want to focus on. You're going to have a large base of affiliates that will promote for you, but may never ever make a sale or may never make one sale. But I can show you different ways to help those people generate a lot of traffic for you, possibly even make sales for you. You basically, if you help them make a sale, they're going to be happy and they're going to promote your products further down the road. So don't focus on the money first. That's the mindset. Focus on building a quality product and building quality relationships. If you can help your super affiliates and help your affiliates, they will be happy and they will want to promote your products in the future. If they're unable to actually make any sales, they may not want to promote your products in the future. And that's why it's very important to focus on quality relationships and getting them results. So here's the strategy. Did you know that the top 5 to 10 super affiliates generally bring in the most commissions of your product launch? Well, as you can see in the pyramid, or the upside down pyramid, the level 1 is the top super affiliates, and the level 2 are the super affiliates. Now, the reason why I split these up into 2 sections is because top super affiliates are generally the people who have the list, or people who knew how to drive the traffic, the people who land up top 10 or top 20 on a contest. These types of super affiliates can generate you a lot of commissions, but at the same time, you can build a relationship with these people, generate them a lot of commissions, do a lot of work for them so that they can just simply jump on board. Now, the problem that a lot of super affiliates face is that a lot of them are simply busy. So a lot of them get 50 to hundreds of emails every single day from people who want them to promote their product. So how are you going to stand out from all of these emails and appeal to these top super affiliates? Now, obviously, you need to have a good relationship, but you have a good product, it can work as well. So focus most of your time on these super affiliates. Now, as I showed you earlier, there are level 2 super affiliates too who also generate commission. Top super affiliates basically produce most of the commissions. Super affiliates generate commissions. The other affiliates may never really generate any sales, but they can actually help as well. Or they can generate a few sales here and there, and so forth. So the key is to make things easier for super affiliates. If you can do that, you can provide value for the subscribers. Their subscribers are happy, and their subscribers are happy. They're going to be happy. You've provided with them a quality product, and the majority will be happy to promote. But you want to still help your regular affiliates as well, as they can help with long-term traffic generation and branding and search engine reach and so forth. So the whole idea is to help all of your affiliates, but focus primarily on the super affiliates. And that's why I've split it up into branding reports, videos, and webinars, because some of them actually are easier to create. Some of them may take longer to create, but will yield a lot of great value. So here's what you need. You need a product. You need to know the top benefits of your product. In other words, what are the top reasons why somebody wants to buy your product, your software, your video course, your report, your webinar, your coaching course, and so forth. For reports, you're going to need a software called Qt PDF. It's free. For videos and webinars, you need some sort of video recorder and, of course, a microphone. Most of you have this type of stuff. You may not necessarily have a video recorder software, but there's Jing, Camtasia, and many other softwares that are free that I will show you in that specific video. So with that said, let's move on to video number 2, and let me help you brainstorm ideas about different bonuses that you can provide to your affiliates.